wrong, Gary?
Well, I don't know how to use iTools to create a Setpoint profile for my EPC3000.
Did someone say EPC3000?
Who's that?
That's Dr. Bob. He knows anything and everything about temperature controllers.
Do I have a remedy for you?
To view existing program profiles, click the Programmer tab. Note that the Programmer function block in the Browse tab contains the parameter to run a program. A maximum of 10 programs can exist. This demo assumes that the EPC3000 device is configured to use quick code 1K3XX, and therefore the Programmer function block is wired such that it writes to the set point of the PID function block. Observe the existing wiring. You can edit, add, or delete wires if necessary. This example is typical of most requirements. To edit program settings or create new programs, click the Programmer tab. Edit the number of the program you need to modify. The program number can be between 1 and 10. Right-click the column header to insert and configure more segments. Insert segment. Click the drop-down under segment number 2 type. The details of the graph reflect the changes in the configuration. If using dwell, click the appropriate field to edit the duration. You can specify the number of hours, minutes, and seconds. You can include up to 8 digital events in a Setpoint program. To configure the events, click the Digital Events Output button. To specify the number of events you want to include, enter a value between 0 and 8 in the Max Events field. You can edit this parameter only in the configuration mode. For more information, click the Help button. If you make changes to a program while connected to an EPC3000 device, the changes are implemented in the device itself, eliminating the need to use the Send to Device option. However, you can back up the program file to the local disk or different media. For example, click the Save button, choose Folder, and enter file name to save the program file to the hard disk. The Setpoint programs are saved with a .uip extension. To run the program, use the Run parameter in the Programmer function block. Note that you can run the program using the front panel keys too. Enter the program number in the appropriate field. Click the Program Mode drop-down. Select Run. Note that the setpoint value, 332 degrees, in this example appears on both the front panel of the EPC3000 device and the icon representing the device in iTools. The line on the left of the setpoint indicates the active segment function, such as ramp up, dwell, or ramp down. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other EPC 3000 tutorials for more information.